What's up, YouTube? Yeah, walking in nature, it's beautiful, you know. And to be honest with you, I was thinking about talking about your two minds. You know, we all humans have two minds: the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. And believe it or not, but this is really making up your life. Your life and your reality is just a reflection of that. You understand? And if you think about the conscious mind, let's talk about that. Like right now, I'm talking, I'm walking in nature, I'm seeing the beautiful nature around me. And yeah, I'm aware of that and conscious. You see, that's the conscious mind. The subconscious mind is something different. Believe it or not, but it makes up 90 to 95% of your life. Think about that. And you may ask why. And simply it's because it's where your inner self is stored. Your shadow self, you know, the one nobody sees and only you can see and feel. That's what I'm talking about. And yeah, you know, your conscious decisions and stuff is really based upon your subconscious beliefs, you know. Your subconscious is so much more important than you think. It's crucial. It's crucial. And if you have a bad subconscious mind, you know, a really negative one, a one that have negative beliefs and stuff, I'm sorry to say it, but that's gonna project into your own reality. And me personally, I've really come to understand this now in the last weeks, to be honest, and to really understand that the mind is all, and especially the subconscious mind is where all your memories is stored, all your traumas, all your experiences, everything. You can also say your subconscious mind is where your personality is stored. And it's just so crucial to get right and to program it in your own way, to make it work in your own way. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do in my own life, because I'm I'm really stuck in my life and stuff, and I'm trying to go go out of my comfort zone and get some experience in different fields in life. Just like this YouTube video, I was not planning to make this, believe me. All my life I've been struggling with social anxiety and anxiety in general, in stressing and stuff. And yeah, when I woke up today, the plan was not to make this YouTube video, believe me. But again, my conscious mind thought about maybe I should go out in nature and make a YouTube video, you know, and then my subconscious mind and my beliefs hold it back. Maybe no, don't do that. Why should I? Everyone's laughing at you and everyone's not gonna like you and nobody's gonna see this. And yeah, maybe that's the case, maybe. But I come to realization that it doesn't matter. In the end, it doesn't matter. 100 years will not matter. It's only your experience and your memories that's gonna matter. So yeah. But again, I'm trying really to change my subconscious mind in my favor through affirmations, through visualization, and to really feel like the person I want to become. So law of attraction to some degree, you can say. So yeah, I'm doing my best, and the thing is, everything comes with experience. Everything. If you're not experienced in some areas in your life, no shit, you're gonna struggle. No shit, you're gonna be bad. We're all bad in the start. Who isn't? You know? But we have to fail, and we have to learn, and we have to gain experience, and just do the best from there. That's really something I've come to understand in life in the recent years. You know? Just like me. Now speaking, this is like the first YouTube video ever. And me really speaking for camera, I know it's shit, of course. And again, that's because I lack experience. I lack experience with talking on the internet. I lack experience with formulating my words in English and in general, you know. But if you practice that muscle more and more over time, it will get better. It will. So yeah, I know I'm stumbling and mumbling and stutter and I don't know. But I'm not... what can I say? I embrace it. I don't think it's cringe anymore. I just know this is me in my part of this journey right now, and that can change. And for things to change, you have to do different things. You have to think different thoughts, feel different emotions, and feel different actions. And over time, you can really change in life. So I just have to try. And yeah. So right now I'm just talking from my heart while I'm in nature. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Beautiful summer day in nature. Believe me, go outside more in nature. It's healing. It's healing. It's crazy. It's so beautiful. I just feel like all of the negativity just escaping from my chest, and it's amazing. So yeah, just really think about what I'm trying to get out. Your conscious mind and subconscious mind is powerful. Mind is everything. Everything you see around you. Take a look. Take a look at everything that's around you right now. I don't care if you're in your bedroom, if you're in a city, but everything was a thought and then manifested into physical reality. Think about that. Everything was non-physical and then became physical through a person's mind. When you really think about it, it's powerful. It's crazy. So I think the moral of this YouTube video is change your thoughts. Really change your thoughts. Change your thoughts, and then change your emotions, and then eventually your actions. To something you're passionate about, your purpose, or everything you want to attract and create in your life. Okay? If you really can do this for a long enough time, you will have it. It's all about putting yourself on a certain frequency and like think about you are that person today inside. And believe me, with long enough time, you will have it. You just have to not give up and to really do your best, you know. So yeah, life is crazy. Life is crazy. Life is beautiful. Beautiful. So yeah, I hope you gained some knowledge and I helped you with something in your personal life. Feel free to let me know in the comments down below. I'll read every one of them and answer you. And yeah, I hope you have a fantastic day and have a fantastic summer. And just live life at the best. Take care, people. Take care.